Welcome to Chapter 6, Materials Around Us. Today we'll join Ghulan and Sheeta as they return to school and discover the amazing materials that make up everything in their classroom and beyond. Everything around us is made of materials. Your notebook is made of paper, your pen of plastic and metal, windows of glass, and doors of wood. Each object has specific materials chosen for it. India has an ancient history of working with materials. Pottery dating back 7,000, 8,000 years shows incredible craftsmanship with wheel-turn techniques, bright colors, and beautiful designs used for cooking and storage. We can group materials based on their properties, by color, by shine, by hardness, or by what they're made of. This method of arranging objects into groups is called classification, and it helps us understand patterns. Different materials are chosen for different purposes based on their properties. A tumbler can be made of glass, plastic, metal, or clay. Each material has advantages that make it suitable for holding liquids. Sports balls show how material properties matter. Tennis balls bounce high because of rubber, cricket balls have medium bounce with leather, and exercise balls have low bounce with soft rubber, each designed for its sport. Materials can be lustrous, shiny, like most metals, or non-lustrous, dull, like paper and wood. But remember the saying, all that glitters is not gold. Some surfaces are made shiny by polishing, not because they're metals. We can test materials for hardness and softness. A brick is very hard, a pillow is very soft, and a sponge is somewhere in between. Hardness is relative. Rubber is harder than sponge but softer than iron. Materials can be transparent, see clearly through, translucent, see but not clearly, or opaque, cannot see through. Think about hide and seek. You'd hide behind opaque materials like walls, not transparent glass. Some materials dissolve in water, soluble, like sugar and salt, while others don't, insoluble, like sand and chalk. This property is why we can make delicious drinks like shikanji where ingredients mix completely with water. The knowledge of soluble materials saves lives. Oral rehydration solution, ORS, uses dissolved sugar and salt in water to treat dehydration. You can even make it at home with simple ingredients. All materials have mass, how much matter they contain, and volume, how much space they occupy. Even with the same volume, different materials can have very different masses. Think of cups filled with water, sand, or pebbles. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Water, air, books, you, everything is matter. Mass is measured in grams and kilograms, while volume is measured in liters and milliliters. Ancient Indian wisdom in Ayurveda classified all matter using 20 properties including heavy light, cold hot, smooth rough, solid liquid, and soft hard. This system described physical matter, living systems, environment, and food. We've learned that materials have different properties. We can classify them based on these properties, and everything around us is matter with mass and volume. Understanding materials helps us choose the right ones for every purpose.